Hi you guys, Joey here. Got a little update about the farm. We got some goats. This is all about goats today, and I want to show you how they're doing and how they are letting them. Well, actually, they have rope on them to keep them where they're supposed to be eating the grass. We're not allowing them to run around because otherwise, once they step or they eat or poop around that food or the grass area, they will not eat it again. So, so our technique is to keep them tied into the area where they're supposed to eat the grass before we move them to somewhere else. And that's what we do during the daytime. And we bring them back to their shelter area at nighttime. And and my idea is that they should have some drink in around that area where they're eating. But as I can see, there's nothing there that telling me that the animals is able to drink some water in between eating during the daytime. So that's another thing that we need to correct there, because I want the animals to be able to drink throughout the day where they are tied or supposed to be eating the grass for the day. So at this time we started with three, two female and one male. And since they were brothers and sisters, we decided to get a different male so that he can breed the two females that we have. So we have two male, two females, and then now we do have five more. So we have about nine. Actually, there's 10 goats we have. And just recently, I was made aware that one of our female goat, died. Because she feels sick, and then next thing we know, she she was just getting weaker and weaker. We are not sure what happened to her, but I was thinking it could be because of the snake or something bit the goat, and we just don't know what it is. So we keep monitoring our animals and see what's going on, and hopefully it will not happen again, because most of our goats are pregnant and we are waiting for them to deliver the babies. So enjoy watching, and thank you for being good supporter for my channel, and keep watching because we do have more progress around the farm. So God bless, and bye bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.